Okay, so got that Peugeot 103 that I posted on Instagram the other day. This has some RMZ cases with a stock crank. I had blown out a seal on it previously, so I just rebuilt the motor with all new, some German bearings. You guys know the name. I'm not going to say it because Instagram will censor me, even though it's just the name of the bearings. Rebuilt the motor, brand new bearings and seals. Got a 64cc cast iron Malossi kit on here, a TSM head modified for 70 cc's, a stock variator retuned with some ER3 weights, and three balls removed, that type of stuff, all the normals. Oh god, late party, timed at 1.4 millimeters for TDC. This is not a very aggressive build, so I like keeping the timing pretty mild. Just a 15 shot in there and a Polini circuit. Polini engine spring, regular engine spring. Just finished building this thing, just turned the gas on. Gonna turn the choke on, see if this fires up. Gas is already on, choke is already on. Oh yeah. That back wheel right on a hammer. Let's see if it goes. Something's not grounded right. I just got the shit stocked out of me. Ow! Hey, first start. Gotta tune that carb a little bit. That's not bad. Ow! All right, we'll see how it runs. That's all. Motherfucker.